Google has changed things up. I'm going to share my screen. You would go over to Google, type in the business name, then the Google business profile would show up here. And if you click these beautiful three dots, the magic three dots, click down on that, you'll see a bunch of new options. So click on business profile settings, the first one drop down menu. And then click on managers anywhere in that little area. And then if you have the ability to add a user, you click here and you can add an owner or a manager. And then you're going to be an owner and you want the people you work with to have ownership access. Once you type their email, then you just click invite. And you can click in here, you can remove them, you can change their access to owner. You can only have one primary owner though.